Hello friends, welcome to Crackit CSE. In this series of algorithm, in the previous video we have covered the Kruskal's algorithm. So in this video we will be discussing some previous year gate questions on the basis of Kruskal's algorithm, that what kind of questions can come from this particular topic. So if you have not watched that particular video on Kruskal's algorithm, just go to the playlist and watch that particular video, then come on this particular video. So first of all, I would like to request you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe the channel for more such videos. Now let's start with the previous year questions. So these are the two questions and I will be going by one. So let me take a piece of paper so that I can explain you. See, what is this question? We are having a particular graph. A graph is given, and out of this graph it is asking that which one of the following is not a sequence of edges added to minimum spanning tree using Kruskal's algorithm. So what he is asking in the question, he is asking that among these four options, which one is the wrong sequence of edges added to minimum spanning tree using Kruskal's algorithm. Now let's see one thing. We have to find out which sequence is wrong according to Kruskal. And in Kruskal we know that it works on the basis of edges. What we do is we take first minimum edge, then we will go with the second minimum edge, and so on. So what is the first minimum edge? You can see that BE is the first minimum edge because of value 2. So there is no other 2. Now next minimum edges are AC and EF because both are having value of 3. So what is the next value? It can be either AC or it can be EF, right? It can be either AC or it can be EF. If it is AC, if I am taking this, then next I have to take this EF. And if I am taking F, then next it has to be AC. So we completed this one and this one. Now which is next minimum? The next minimum value is 4. That means BC and FG. So after EF I can take BC, or I can also take FG, right? So now check the options. See, the first minimum is BE, which is same in all the options. That means it is okay. The next minimum can be AC or EF. So you can see that next minimum is AC or EF. After EF there has to be AC, and if it is AC then there has to be EF. That means it is right up to this particular place. But here you can see that in fourth option I am taking first BE, which is first minimum, EF, which is second minimum, but then he has taken BC. BC is nothing but 4, but this 3 is left out in this sequence. That means this sequence is not possible. That means this is the right answer for this particular question. So you have to always track the minimum value of edges so that you can find out the answer. So similarly you can check all these four options and you will be getting the answer that how D is the solution for this particular problem. Now let's go with this particular question. So this question came in GATE 2009 and this question that I am about to discuss is in GATE 2006. Here is also the same thing. He has given one graph and it is asking that among these sequence which one is not in the right order. That means which sequence is not possible. So check here. Here I am having the minimum value as 1, which is available at 2 places. That means AB and DF. So you can see that AB and DF. It is okay. If it is AB, then after AB it has to be DF, right? After AB it has to be DF, right? And if it is DF, then it has to be AB. So up to here all the options are correct. Now if I took this one and this one, what are the next possibility? Next possibility is next minimum values, that is 2. So these are the next minimum values. So you can see that here we have taken BF, which is right, and after this BF we have to take the next minimum, that means next value of 2. So it is okay up to here. Now check here. After DF it has taken DC, which is right, and after this DC it has taken BF. This is also right. Same here, DC then BF, right? And BF then DE. So here they are taking DE. DE means 3. So they are not taking this particular value. That means this cannot be the sequence. That means if I talk about the fourth option, this is 1, this is 1, B to F is 2, then they are taking D to E. So D to E cannot be in the sequence because this D to C has to be first. It has to be there and it has to be after that. Therefore it is the sequence which cannot be possible in the Kruskals algorithm. Now there is one more question I have. This particular question, so this question came in GATE 2003. So this much big graph was given, and in this graph he was simply asking that what will be the minimum cost of this spanning tree if you find out using Kruskal. So you can find it out using Kruskal also, using Prim's also. Both will give you the same answer. So if I try to solve it out using the Kruskal's method, how I can do that? First of all, I need to take the minimum value. So which is the first minimum? That is AC. AC is the first one because it is having value 1. So no other edge having 1 value. That means it is okay. Now we have to check for 2. So you can see that 2 is at 4 different places. So 4 edges are having value as 2. Like so, among those, how we can find out that what we have to take? So make sure that there is no cycle. So if I am taking A to D, so its cost is 1, its cost is 2. It is fine. So that means we have covered this one. We cannot take C to D because if we take C to D, it will be a cycle. So it is not possible. So I'm just striking it out. It is not possible. What is the next value? Next is B to G. Yes, B to G is possible because it is not forming any cycle. So next I am taking B to G, whose cost is 2. So I am taking this with 2. Now see, here I am having E to I. This is also 2. See, I can take E to I because it is also not forming any cycle as of now. So I am taking E to, let me just shift it upwards. So I am taking now E to I. So this E to I is 2. So this has been taken. Now which is the next minimum value? Next minimum value is 3. You can see after 2 there is 3 and no other edge is having 3. So can we take 3 B to D? Yes, we can take 3 B to D because it is not forming any edge. So this is also okay. After this B to D, what is the next minimum value for edges? See, this 4 is having the next minimum value for the edges. Now we have to take this 4. So we can take any one of these 4 at first. So I am taking this H to I. So this is 4. Now we are done with this 4. Can we take the next 4? Let's see if it is possible. Yes, it is not making any cycle. That means I can take this next 4 also. After this next 4, what will be the next value that we can take? After 4, the next minimum is 5 and no other edge is having value 5. That means I can take this J to I as 5 because it is also not forming any cycle. Now after this 5, what is the next value? 6. But this 6 cannot be taken because it will form a cycle like this. So this 6 is not possible. You can either strike it out or just ignore it. So after 6, what is the next value? Next value is these 8s. So among these 8s, any one of these edges can be taken. So I am taking an edge as G to H as 8. So after this particular 8, if you try to take any other 8, that means either H to E or A to E, it will be forming a cycle. Because if you take H to E, this one will form a cycle. If you take A to E, this one is forming a cycle. And whatever the value is higher than 8 cannot be taken because they are making the cycle. And here also you can check it that whether more edges are required or not. How? If all the vertices has been covered, then that means there is no requirement of extra edges. So you can see that how many vertices I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I am having 10 vertices. That means 10 vertices. Here you can see that here also I am having the same 10 vertices. That means We have covered all the vertices and no extra edge is required. So now we have to find out the minimum cost. So they gave the option as 29. A option was 29, B was 31, C was 38 and D option was 41. So we have to find out among these four options which is the right answer. It can be numerical type also, but they gave this particular options in the year 2003. So just add them. 2 1 3 3 3 6 6 2 8 8 8 16 16 5 21 21 and 8 29 29 and 2 31. So this is the right option. So that's how you can find out the answer of such problem. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you found this useful, like this video, share it with your friends, comment your feedback in the comment box down below so that I can improve if there is any possibility. And if you are new on this particular channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Keep supporting, keep learning. Have a great day.